Okay, so it's mid-month October 2019. Roughly it's the 17th actually, but still. The previous Thursday I felt sickly with cold or flu, whatever it was, and I only stayed 2 hours and then went home, which is reflected on my pitiful paycheck. Lost about $100 and that ordeal. So then Monday the power blew up twice actually. They called somebody and they got it going again, and we ran for a little bit, and then they come running in there telling everybody shut the machines off, and sent most of the machine operators home. People that didn't have to have a machine on stayed, and I stayed a little longer, about 4 hours extra I think. So mine wasn't, I only lost 3 hours that week, so this check may not be quite, it should still be over 400 if we get the 2 12-hour days. Still, I don't know. Oh, and I've decided to pay the minimum on OLO. I've got 2 more checks before the house payment is due again. So what I'm going to try to do, I don't know if it's doable, but I'm going to make some effort, maybe shuffle some things around. What I'm going to try to do is pay both regional and city card off. Now there's already been one payment put to this on the 11th, so it's actually 200 something I think. I got that written down somewhere. Okay, so this is actually $267.50 right now, and there was a charge that I didn't notice, but I bought something on Amazon, and apparently Amazon charged this card instead of my ATM debit card, so this balance is actually $201.38. So the total that I need is $468.88 to pay both of these off. That would help greatly. Oh, and then that'll be 2 months out of the 9 that I have to do OLO with no interest. So you'd have $1,500, 7 months, so a little over $200 a month to pay this off with no interest in the allotted 9 months. I'll try to do that in 8 months just to be on the safe side. And then that doesn't leave all that much left to pay. I'll reorganize everything accordingly. So hope for me that that works out. Prime renews next month on the 13th. I'm going to let that renew for the year. And the power bill did come out automatically. It actually came out on the 9th. So I've marked it here on the 9th, but I haven't received the bill yet, so I don't know how much it actually is, essentially, yet. That's pretty much all the updates, I believe, for this month so far. They haven't interviewed me for any of the jobs that I put in for. Oh, and I've also opened a second Roth IRA with M1 Finance. I'll do a video on that later. The reason being is that you can buy partial shares. That's the big thing that I see with them as far as why I would even want that account to begin with. My other account, I really like the other account too, but they don't let you buy partial shares. And both accounts now are free to trade except for options. The broker fee is free, but you have to pay the 65 cents per contract still, which isn't very much. And I think that's it. The only real major change is that with the new Roth IRA, I can like put so much a week per paycheck into it, and as long as it's over $10, you can buy partial shares with it and get your money working for you quicker, or dropping quicker if you buy the wrong stuff, I guess. I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comments. If you're familiar with M1 Finance, leave it in the comments. Am I making a mistake? Should I avoid it? There are several stocks that are on sale right now. Although I'm not going to put a lot into the stock market right now because it's kind of at an all-time high, and it's been in a bull run for 10 years. So I'm looking for it to plummet any time now. But I'm not a doom and gloom person, so it may or may not do that in my lifetime. I don't know. But what I am thinking is I want some exposure. And of course, if it does plummet, the stocks that I bought should weather the storm and come back. So I won't sell them if everything plummets. I will just hang on to them and buy more at a cheaper price. But I'll do a video on that eventually. Oh, I did not put Citi Card here because I hope to have it paid off before then. Hopefully anyway. And of course, like I said on another video, what I really want is to get rid of all those credit cards and just use like the Citi double rewards cards, I think it is. Double cash back, you get 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay. I mean, a lot of things. Too bad you can't save on the house payment. They don't let you use a debit card. You have to have a checking account listed for the house payment. But the power bill, you can pay with an ATM debit card or credit card, I believe. So I would save 2% on the power bill and everything else. But you have to, I'd save 2% on Amazon Prime by using that card. So hopefully that'll work out soon. And I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you like it. Or give it a thumbs up if you don't like it. Just give it a thumb one way or another. Or both, I don't care. And I will see you in the next video.